So I just got done touring this really pretty home on Linda Vista. There's a lot to like about it, and there's some interesting quirks to it. It's very close to the Rose Bowl. So if you like any kind of events during that time, you know this place gets to be a madhouse, so you could walk over there easily. It's very close. Pretty neighborhood, lots of beautiful homes on this particular street. Apparently the old owners were big tetherball enthusiasts, so you'll see photos of what is a tetherball court. Probably would be better used as like a pool or something a little bit more outdoor entertaining area. There's a loft space, but currently there aren't stairs up to it, so you might want to kind of open that up a little bit. But what's there is really bright, open, and excellent.